Hello, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to disable or enable the vibrations of controller while playing the Battlefield 6. Enjoy watching! As the first step, you should open the settings by using this gear icon here. In Accessibility tab, you should scroll down, and here in the controller you can see the controller vibration. You can switch it on or off, depends on your preferences. If you like to have your controller vibrate while some explosions cause near you, then you can leave it. If you don't like vibrations like me, then you can completely switch it on, off, and leave it like this. Thanks for watching, leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!